Naralvadi was one of those sweets that didn't need a festival, but somehow it always made the day feel special. Fresh coconut would be grated slowly, the soft white flakes collecting in a big steel plate. There was something peaceful about that rhythm: scrape, turn, scrape again. Instead of jaggery, sugar would melt gently on the stove, turning glossy and smooth. When the coconut was added in, the mixture would thicken slowly, filling the kitchen with sweet, comforting aroma. Grandmother would keep stirring patiently, never leaving the stove even for a moment. She would say, "Sugar changes quickly, you have to watch it carefully." No timers, no exact measurement, just years of practice guiding her hands. Once the mixture reached the perfect texture, it would be spread quickly onto a greased plate, smooth, evenly pressed gently. Before it cooled completely, neat square cuts would be marked. That waiting time felt the longest. We would stand nearby, pretending not to look impatient. Naralvadi was simple, white, soft, slightly chewy, with the delicate sweetness of coconut and sugar. Even today, when I make coconut barfi, it feels like bringing back that quiet kitchen moments where something so basic turned into something so comforting. Some sweets are complicated, but Naralvadi reminds us simple ingredients made with patience are often the most memorable. Naralvadi wasn't overly sweet. It was simple, soft, yet firm, and always made with patience. My granny would mark perfect little squares with a knife. That was my favorite part, waiting for it to set so we could lift one piece secretly before guests arrived. Naralvadi was never just a sweet in our home. It was something that quietly appeared during special days.